everyone, I'm Dr. Sarah, and today we're learning the English names of medical tools. Can you name the instrument doctors use to listen to your heartbeat? What about the tool used to measure blood pressure? Stay with me, because in just a few minutes you'll learn the names and uses of many important medical instruments. Let's get started.
Roll bandage. A roll bandage is used to secure a dressing in place and support injured body parts. Surgical tape. Surgical tape is used to attach bandages, gauze, and other dressings to the skin around wounds. Blood pressure monitor. A blood pressure monitor is a device used to measure blood pressure, the force of blood pushing against the walls of the arteries. Headlamp. A headlamp is a light worn on the head that allows healthcare professionals to illuminate the area they are examining while keeping both hands free. Hot water bag. A hot water bag or hot water bottle is a rubber or silicone container filled with hot water to provide warmth or relieve pain. Plaster. A plaster is an adhesive dressing used to cover and protect small cuts, scrapes, and wounds. Stethoscope. A stethoscope is used to listen to sounds produced by the heart, lungs, and other organs inside the body. Stretcher. A stretcher is a device used to transport a person who must lie flat and cannot move independently. Scalpel. A scalpel is a small surgical knife used to make incisions and dissect tissue. Surgical scissors. Surgical scissors are used to cut tissue, sutures, dressings, and bandages. Syringe. A syringe is used to inject or withdraw fluids and medications from the body. Thermometer. A thermometer is used to measure body temperature. Kidney tray. A kidney tray is used to hold dressings, instruments, medical waste, and other small medical items during procedures. Tweezers. Tweezers are a small hand tool used to grasp, hold, or remove small objects. Weight scale. A weight scale is used to measure a patient's body weight. First aid kit. A first aid kit is a container holding supplies used to treat minor injuries such as cuts, burns, and sprains. Sphygmomanometer. A sphygmomanometer is an instrument used to measure blood pressure. X-ray. An X-ray is an imaging technique used to examine bones, organs, and other internal structures and to detect conditions such as fractures and pneumonia. Microscope. A microscope is an instrument used to magnify objects that are too small to be seen clearly with a naked eye. Normal saline. Normal saline is a sterile salt solution used to treat dehydration, flush wounds, and administer medications. IV stand. or IV drip stand. An IV stand is used to hold and support intravenous fluid bags during treatment. Wheelchair. A wheelchair is a mobility device used by people who have difficulty walking or cannot walk independently. Surgical gloves. Surgical gloves are protective gloves worn to prevent the transmission of infections between healthcare workers and patients during medical procedures. Surgical mask. A surgical mask is used to block droplets, splashes, and sprays that may contain infectious microorganisms. Walker. A walker is a mobility aid that provides support and stability for people who have difficulty walking. IV cannula. An IV cannula is a small, flexible tube inserted into a vein to deliver fluids, medications, or blood products. Eyeglasses. Eyeglasses are used to correct or improve vision problems. Nebulizer. A nebulizer is a device that converts liquid medication into a fine mist that can be inhaled into the lungs. Glucometer. A glucometer is a device used to measure the level of glucose in the blood. Surgical gauze. A surgical gauze is a sterile, absorbent dressing used to protect wounds, absorbs fluids, and promote healing. Suture. A suture is a medical thread used to close wounds or surgical incisions. Surgicept. Surgicept is an antiseptic solution used to disinfect the skin before surgery or other medical procedures. Blood bag. A blood bag is a sterile container used for the collection, storage, transportation, and transfusion of blood and blood products. Suction machine. A suction machine is used to remove mucus, saliva, blood, or other secretion from a patient's airway. Otoscope. An otoscope is a medical instrument with a light used to examine the ear canal and eardrum. Eye chart. An eye chart is used during eye examinations to measure visual acuity and assess how clearly a person can see. Braces. Braces are dental devices used to correct misaligned teeth and bite problems. Infusion set. An infusion set is a medical device used to deliver fluids, medications, or nutrients into the body, usually through a vein. Cane. A cane is a walking aid used to provide balance and support for people with mobility difficulties. Sling. A sling is used to support and immobilize an injured arm, shoulder, or other body part during healing. Crutches. Crutches are walking aids that support the body under the arms or forearms and help people move when they cannot put weight on one leg.